Hello, I am Sachidanand Pandey. Welcome in class Physics. Today I am going to explain the numerical related to wave optics and question number 5. In question number 5, in Young's double slit experiment, using monochromatic light of a wavelength lambda, intensity of light at a point on the screen is given, path difference is lambda is k unit, and what is the intensity of the light at a point where path difference is lambda by 2. What is given here? In given path wavelength here given that for path difference, suppose for path difference here is x1, path difference is x1, and for path difference is x1, intensity is k. Intensity is k. It means I1 is here k, and at path difference x1, that means lambda. Path difference x1 is equal to lambda, and its intensity I1 is equal to k. Similarly, at path difference for path difference x2, where path difference lambda, and what is the intensity of the light where path difference is lambda by 3, x2 is equal to lambda by 3, and we have to find I2 is equal to what? This is the question. Now we know that intensity depends upon the amplitude. We know that the resultant of amplitude of the two waves. Suppose in a vector, we know that if the two vectors having same magnitude and have an angle between them is theta, then its resultant is given by r is equal to root under r is equal to 2a cos theta by 2. Suppose r square is equal to, that means r square is equal to 4a square cos theta by 2. In similar manner here, intensity is given that we know the formula for intensity, I is equal to I naught, I is equal to 4I naught cos square phi by 2. I is equal to 4 I naught cos square phi by 2. This is the intensity. I naught is maximum intensity, where cos square, that is means the amplitude here 4 I naught cos square phi by 2. We know the formula, this one. As according to Vector's law, when amplitudes are same, and having angle between them is here theta, now its resultant is 4a square cos square theta by 2. That means r square is equal to, here we know the formula, I think you know, r square is equal to 4a square cos square theta by 2. We know similar manner here, that is the resultant of two vectors, and that means amplitude here 4a square cos square theta. In a similar manner here, I is equal to 4 I naught cos square phi by 2. And if in case, since that is the I is related to amplitude square, here now get, so we put here path difference is here x1, and that way x1 is equal to lambda, I1 is equal to k. Okay. Now the resultant intensity, here we write resultant intensity is given that I1 is equal to 4 I naught cos square phi 1 by 2. Similarly, I2 is equal to, and I2 is equal to 4 I naught cos square phi 2 by 2. So that one is equation number first, and that one is second. Now on dividing second by first, dividing second by first, we get I2 by I1 is equal to, that means we intersecting cos square phi 2 by 2 by cos square phi 1 by 2. Now here I2 by I1 is equal to cos square phi 2 by 2 and cos square phi 1 by 2. So now we have to establish the relation phi 1 and phi 2. What will be value of phi 1 and phi 2? We know that for bright condition, we know that here, we know that flux phi 1 is related, phi 1 is equal to lambda by phi 1 is equal to 2 pi by lambda into x1. Understand? In similar manner, and phi 2 is equal to 2 pi, suppose here 2 pi by lambda into x2. Do you understand? So phi 1 is equal to 2 pi by lambda, and here x1 is equal to lambda here, and phi 2 is equal to 2 pi by lambda into here lambda by 3. So on intersecting, that one is here 2 pi and that one here 2 pi by 3. Putting phi 1 and phi 2, that means equation number third. Putting the value, value in third, we get I2 by I1, that's equal to cos square, putting the value phi 2 here, phi 2 is given 2 pi by 3, 2 pi by 3 by phi 2 by 2, that is by 2. Now here cos square phi 1, putting phi 1 is equal to 2 pi by 2. That means here 2 and 2 out, and that is 2 and 2, that means here pi by 2, that means 2 and 2 is also out here. So we get, that's equal to I2 by I1 that is equal to cos square pi by 3 and cos square pi. Now we get here 1 by 4, here 1 by 4, and that means 1 square, that means 1. So I1 and I2, we write here I2 by I1, that's equal to 1 by 4. So I2 is equal to I1 by 4. So I2 is equal to K by 4. This is the answer. Do you understand? I think you know better. Similar manner, we will solve the question related to wave optics. I think it is good one. Okay.